Hello everyone. Here we have an interesting quadratic equation. We can solve it with the different techniques such as by completing square, by quadratic formula, and the third one is the substitution method. So I am going to solve it by the method of substitution. You can try other two methods which are also very easy. So taking while moving to a solution, we take this relation towards left, which will become negative over here towards left. So it will give us x square plus a plus bx minus c minus a into b plus c. That is equal to 0. Now we multiply this minus inside, it will give this factor as a minus c. So this is x square plus a plus b times x plus a minus c into b plus c, which is equal to 0. Let we assume that a minus c is equal to p and b plus c is equal to q. And from here, if we add up p plus q, it will give a minus c plus b plus c. From here we can see c will be cancelled out and p plus q will be equal to a plus b. So it will become as x square plus a plus b is equal to basically p plus q x plus a minus c is p and b plus c is q. Now it is easily factorizable, and from here we can write it as x square plus px plus qx plus pq, that is equal to 0. Now taking x common from these two terms, we will get x plus p, and taking q common from these two terms, we will get q times x plus p is equal to 0. That is equal to x plus p times x plus q, which is equal to 0. From here, either x plus p is equal to 0 or x plus q is equal to 0, and from here we get x is equal to minus p and x is equal to minus q. Replacing back the value of p and q, p is a minus c, x is equal to minus time a minus c, and minus time q is equal to b plus c. So the solution is c minus a and minus b minus c. That is the answer. You can try other two methods, which are by completing square and by quadratic formula, and tell us in the comment which method is more easier. Thank you for watching.